In this video, I am thrilled to share with you a hidden gem in chess openings, the Blackburne Shilling Gambit. This trick specifically targets the Italian opening and offers a unique opportunity to achieve checkmate in just 7 moves. Throughout the video, I will guide you step by step on how to execute this strategy effectively, leading to a quick victory. The Blackburne Shilling Gambit starts with the familiar king's pawn opening, where white plays pawn e4 and black responds with pawn e5. The game then unfolds with knight f3, knight c6, and bishop c4, establishing the initial setup of the Italian game. While this opening is commonly seen, we are about to introduce a surprising move that will catch your opponent off guard. As black, your unconventional move will be knight to d4. This move challenges the established opening principles by moving the same piece twice and leaving the e5 pawn unprotected. If your opponent is not familiar with this trap, they might be tempted to capture your pawn with their knight, falling right into your trap. The next move is where the magic happens. By placing your queen on g5, you create a double attack on their knight and the pawn on g2. At first glance, it may appear as a blunder, as white can potentially save their knight by capturing your f7 pawn and putting pressure on your queen and rook. However, if they fall into this temptation, they will be ensnared in the trap. You will capture the pawn on g2 and deliver a checkmate with your queen on g2. Even if white attempts to save their rook by moving it to f1, the game is far from over. Black will then play queen e4 check, limiting the white king's options. Blocking with the queen would result in capture by your knight, leaving blocking with the bishop as the only viable move. Now, it's time for the killer move that seals the checkmate. Can you spot it? Yes, it's black's knight to f3, delivering a beautiful checkmate. To further illustrate the effectiveness of this opening trick, let's explore a common variation where white captures your rook with their knight instead of saving it. In this scenario, you respond by capturing their rook with your queen, giving a check. The white king's movement becomes restricted, forcing them to block with their bishop. Your queen then captures the pawn on e4, delivering another check. Since white's queen cannot block due to your knight's influence, they resort to blocking with the bishop once again. At this point, regardless of white's move, you can checkmate in the next 3 moves. For instance, if white plays pawn to d3, you respond with knight f3 check. Black's only viable move is king f1, followed by the killer move queen h4. This move poses a dual threat of checkmate on f2 and h3. Even if white attempts to play king g2, you have a devastating response with queen f2 check. If white plays king h1, it results in checkmate with queen h2. Alternatively, if they play king h3, pawn d6 delivers the final blow with the assistance of the bishop. It's truly remarkable. Now, let's address an essential question. How can you avoid falling into this trap as white? The key lies in playing the correct move when black plays knight to d4. My suggestion is to castle, which ensures a solid position for white, with a safe king, better piece development, and improved control of the center. Following this approach will enable white to navigate the opening successfully. In conclusion, the Blackburne Shilling Gambit is an intriguing opening trick that can catch your opponents off guard. By executing this well-crafted strategy, you have the potential to achieve a quick victory. So, give it a try and surprise your opponents with this powerful trick in the Italian opening. If you successfully trap your opponent using these tactics, feel free to share your games in the comments section below. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with future videos. Take a moment to check out the other videos appearing on your screen right now. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Take care and peace.